Hello friends, welcome to the third tutorial. So in the last tutorial we have installed all of our dependencies. So let me show you. This is my project folder. So these dependencies are installed in this folder, node modules. So just find these dependencies in this folder. So all these dependencies which will be there in the project will be there in this folder. So after this we have to start our server. So for that we have a specific command which is npm run dev, and also I want to open my editor, so I will be writing this command code dash, so which will be opening my Visual Studio Code editor, which I will be using in this video tutorial series. So I can put a and symbol and run this command also, npm run dev. So this will run multiple commands. It will open my text editor first and also run the server at the same time. Just enter it, and after that it will first of all open the Visual Studio Code here, and let me just maximize this and open the folder. So it is located in the desktop here, Firebase CRUD with Vue. This is the folder, so select the folder here, and you can see here it is opened this URL in the Opera browser. Let me copy this and open it in Chrome, and copy pasted. You can see here this is the starting point of our application. So if you get to this, you are right, you are there on the right track. So if you face any kind of problem, so just watch other videos, previous videos, and run your process again. So you can see here this is our source folder. This is the main file that we are seeing there in the browser here, app.vue. So this is the file here. This is all the HTML. You can see here images, logos available that you are seeing right there. So what we do not want this default template. So just delete this, all this HTML elements that are there inside this div tag. So don't delete the div tag. We want this div tag. So after that just save this, and you will be seeing the changes reflected back. So if I just reload this, so you will see that all this was gone here. So we have removed all this. So we have set up our server in this tutorial, guys. So in the next tutorial we will be starting coding for this project. So I will be seeing you in the next tutorial.